Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix TikTok hashtag limit 2025. Limit breach. If you're wondering how to fix TikTok's hashtag limit in 2025, here's the truth. It's not actually a bug, but a new platform feature. TikTok recently introduced a cap where users can only add up to 5 hashtags per post. If you've noticed, creators only use 1 to 5 hashtags lately. That's exactly why. This limit varies slightly by region, but is mainly meant to reduce spam and improve content relevance. When you're posting and reach the hashtag limit, there's really no way around it since it's a platform level update, not something you can manually fix. The best move here is to adjust your hashtag strategy. Focus on a few strong, relevant tags rather than flooding your posts with too many. While you can bypass this rule, using your hashtag smartly will keep your videos optimized for TikTok's algorithm and help you maintain good reach and engagement. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.